guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the box by Fashionsta. This is for September. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my September box just arrived. This was shipped out about a week ago and I just received it today. And I'm really excited to see what's inside this box. Last month was my very first box. If you guys do not know, this is the box by Fashionsta. I believe I heard that they opened up their waiting list again. It might be closed again, I'm not quite sure. They opened it up to take on as many as they can actually take on at the time. And then they close it so they don't get bombarded with new orders. So if you haven't got it or you're interested in it, if there is a waiting list, and you can put in your information and they will email you as soon as they do open so you can reserve your spot, which is amazing. That's what I did to get it. And now this is my second box. I did get a 3-month subscription, so we'll see what we're gonna do next month. But this box is I think it's $19.99 or it could be $19.95. I don't have this one written down, shame on me. I think the way that it was with being on the wait list and then being able to sign up quickly, I think I just didn't pay attention to that part. But it's either $19.99 or $19.95, but I believe it's $19.99 and it's free shipping. So let's go ahead and see. They did put my shipping label right there, which I nicely took off. Let's go ahead and see what is on the inside. So, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. I want to personally welcome you to the box by Fashionsta Glam Fam, a consciously curated collection of classic brands plus unveiling of new and emerging brands boxed and delivered to your door each month. And they do give you a card and it goes over all of their pricing. And my total retail box is $149. And right before it, it has a little V2 on it. I don't remember it having that last month, but if that means a version, then I guess I have version number 2. But my total retail value of everything in this box is $149. So that's what it looks like inside. It has the tissue paper with their logo and it has the sticker with the box. When you look inside, that's what it looks like right there. So there is this little paper that was in here that says box with a purpose. And it says Family Crisis Center. With every box purchase, you're helping 1,736 family crisis centers by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. That's amazing. We're happy to announce this partnership and support a cause you love, as well as offering amazing products that you love to use. To learn more about 1736 Family Crisis Center, please visit www.1736familycrisiscenter.org. So that's awesome that they're actually donating to help a good cause. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and get in here. There are some squigglies I will set aside. Now right on top, I am seeing this sticker that says replacement. Last month, I received a blush that apparently was expired. I didn't know it when I opened it, and a few of you guys did tell me in my comments after I posted the video. Then I went to the item and I looked at the back, and yes, the expiration date on the back was indeed expired. So I sent them an email and they said that they would send me a replacement in my next month's box. So apparently they replaced it with this product, and this is a Sigma Prime Plus Control Brow Wax Clear. So there's the actual packaging and that's Sigma. Let's see what's in here. So this is replacing my blush item from last month. So there's that. And so it is just like a gel. Okay, so I guess you just stick it on your brows. I just use like a little balm to fill in, and the back has like a little sharpener, so I guess you can sharpen the clear balm too. So that's neat that it has a little sharpener built in. Prime Plus Control Brow Wax. So keep your brows in shape. So that is not a part of my box. That's my replacement item. So let's go ahead and see. So the first item right on top, it says Rose Gold Melanie Mills Hollywood Glam Body Radiance. There's that guy right there. And this says Glam Face and Body Radiance is a revolutionary all-in-one makeup, moisturizer, and glow you can use for your face and body. This long-lasting formula is perfect as a body glow, body shimmer, body bronzer, and a body highlighter all in one. And this is valued at $18. And I'm not huge on shimmerage. I do have some highlighters that I use, which is not a lot, as you can tell. So I'd rather go ahead and put this in a future giveaway so somebody that does enjoy shining their skin shimmer will enjoy that. So that's valued at $18 right there. Okay, so the next item in here is a Eye Jumbo Liquid Eyeliner by Kaylin. And this guy says this retails for $18. Achieve effortless control and dramatic definition with this ultra rich jumbo felt tip liquid eyeliner. The large taper tip of the Eye Jumbo liquid eyeliner ensures bold, dramatic detailing. This easy glide smudge-free liquid eyeliner adheres quickly to your skin for waterproof wear. And if you guys follow me, you know I don't really use liquid. I have tons of them in my drawer that I've never used. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. It's not in a box, it's not like sealed, packaged, or anything like that. So I'm not going to open it, but I will set this aside for a future giveaway. So both of those items I will set aside for one of you guys to enjoy. Next, we have, this is a Faceit Pop Art Face Mask, Pop and Glow. And there's that product. This is valued at $4, based in New York and made in Korea. SF prides themselves in embodying the best in both innovation and trendiness. All of their products are curated to be fun and super easy, completely clean, 100% cruelty-free and vegan. So it looks like you might have a little cool saying, or like looks like there's like a little thing on the mask itself, so that would be fun. I like when masks have designs on them because it makes it a little more interesting and fun. So this is valued at $4, so that I'm definitely going to try out. Next we have, this looks very familiar. Yes, I already have this item. This has been on my table and I've told you guys that I am waiting to have time to review this. This is a Teamy Detox Mask Green Tea Blend, Matcha Lemongrass Clay, 4 ounce. And I haven't had a chance to use this because I want to do a full review on this for you guys and haven't had a chance yet. So this is sitting here. So this, what I'll do is I will go ahead and when I do this review, I'll put this in that video as a giveaway so one of you guys can try it. But let's see what it says here. So I got two. So I already have that one. So I'll set this one with that. When I finally get to that video, I'll put this in that giveaway for you guys. So there's a little sneak peek. Stay tuned for that review. So I'll do it as soon as I can for you guys. So this right here is the Teamy Green Tea Detox Mask, valued at $30. This mineral-rich green tea detox mask is a must-have in your skincare routine. Made with organic green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay, this mask is formulated to rid pores and impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients, perfect for all skin types. And I believe that is the price, is the $30 on their site. So again, I'll go ahead and save that for that particular review. So I'll set that right over there. Now, let's go ahead and see, this is the next item. This is a VV Serum, Very V, Beauty Serum for the V. Beauty Serum for the V. Are they talking about your vagina? Rejuvenate, am I allowed to say that? Rejuvenate, revitalize, and firm. Wait, please don't tell me this is for your vajayjay. Okay. The Perfect V, a new luxury skincare line to beautify the V. The V question mark? The small triangle we wax, shave, laser, sugar, trim, dye even, and then leave until the next time. What in the multitasking beauty creams, serums, mist, and sheets that pamper that delicate skin of your V. This is talking, that has to be talking about your vajayjay. Why is there a serum for your vajayjay? What in the serious? Are you serious? How to use. For best results, lightly dry the V and apply a small drop of the VV serum, the perfect base for VV cream. Use daily as a part of your beauty vanicure regimen. What? Are they serious right now? Are they serious? $54. This 2018 Pure Beauty Award bronze winner is a must-have for your daily beauty routine, dedicated to the bikini area. So this is definitely for your girl down there. Like, what in the world? For your, what? This beauty serum rejuvenates, revitalizes, and firms the skin, leaving it soft to the touch. Elderflower extract and bilberry helps brighten the skin, while sea buckthorn soothes and vitamin E conditions. For best results, lightly dry the V, the bikini area line, and visible skin to the triangle area, and apply a small drop of the VV serum. This is seriously for your vajayjay. Like, I don't know what to say about this one. I seriously do not know what to say about this one. I've never seen something dedicated to tightening and rejuvenating your skin down there. But alrighty, now I have. I can't say I never have now because I have one in my hand. But let's hear it for the girls. Oh my goodness. Now, is this like, did everybody get this? Because I have not seen any unboxings yet. I'm gonna have to probably see if like, I would think that was a joke, but it is seriously for that area. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's move right along to something that goes up here in this area. This looks like this would be an eyeshadow palette. Drawn Gazing palette by the Beauteque. Eyeshadow palette. So, all right. So something for your face. I don't get it. I'm still tripping on what in the world I just read and saw. I don't know what to say about that one. Like, I'm almost 40 years old and I've never had a serum that I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Let's see what this palette is all about, shall we? But for this box being basically, let's just say $20, because I don't know if it's the 99 or the 95, so let's just say $20. This Teamy Blend brand, I can't even talk with this vajayjay stuff. This Teamy Blend mask is $30. That pays for this entire box and you have free shipping. Plus you get a face mask, an eyeliner, you get some shimmer, you get some vajayjay cream, and you get an eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is $25. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get this off. These are pretty colors. This is like my go-to colors that I normally use, and I am using today because I always use my IBY palette. I have so many palettes and I always grab that every day, but this is what the colors look like. And I will go ahead and swatch this for you. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, so there is the entire palette right there. There is not a mirror on this one, which is okay because I don't use the mirrors anyways, and they just get dusty in my opinion anyway, but there is the complete palette. I do really like these colors because it is the mauves, pinks, burgundies. That is what I kind of gravitate to on a normal daily basis, unless I'm just trying something out or trying to match like a color scheme for that particular day. But those are like my go-to colors. So I really do like the colors in this palette. So the palette is, did I already say the price? $25. Inspired by the kaleidoscope of pink and magentas at the sky of dawn, this Dawn Gazing, that's where they get the name, Dawn Gazing, eyeshadow palette features 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades in 3 different finishes: velvety matte, creamy metallic, and a long wearing glitter. So those are so pretty. Those are so pretty. I can't wait to use that palette, you guys. So that is everything we got. $149 value for $20, let's say, because it's $19.99. I think it's $19.99. So let's say $20. You're getting a huge value. A huge value. This, I'm not, I don't know about this. If you guys have heard about this, let me know. That seems like a little personal to put into a box, if you ask me. I'm totally thrown off by that, like totally thrown off by this product being so personal in here. But if it's a beauty product and they're wanting you to beautify yourself, I guess they thought maybe that area gets missed. I'm not quite sure. I mean, I take care of mine, but you know, I don't know. Some people may need that. I don't know. Let me know. But this palette is very, very beautiful. I love the colors. I can't wait to use the face mask. This will go to one of you guys when I can do my thing. So even me just keeping these is over the cost of the box. I don't know about this guy, but this is $54 in itself to get your VV straightened out. And then these 2 items will go in a future giveaway with other items. And then, like I said, that detox mask will go in that video for a giveaway. So I'm getting to spread the love, and I'm getting a really pretty palette that I can't wait to use. And I can't wait to use this face mask. So I can. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Again, I feel that it is definitely worth the value. I'm loving this palette, and I'm loving this palette. So that is everything that I have for you today. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Be out.